Hello, great people. You are welcome to Real Trading with David Wekulom. We are on a project on this channel. We are trading a $500 account and we are taking it to $10,000. And the goal is not to just come here and gamble and take one trade and flip it overnight and make it $10,000, but to ensure proper discipline. We have been trading effectively, managing this $500 account, and we're taking it to $10,000. If you look at the history here, you will see, if you go to the trade history and look at it, you can see that we have taken a lot of trade within a period of about 3 months. And at the end of the day, we have arrived at a profit of $1,122. If you come here and look at the balance is $1,622, while the equity is $1,788. Actually, on Friday, the equity was around 2,000 plus, but the market had to retrace. And because the positions we have taken are swing trades, we are not going to close those trades until they give us the kind of profit that we are looking at. So all things being equal, we will be taking this account to $10,000. I encourage you to join this channel. Click on the subscribe button, be a part of the community, and show up every day. And you watch us trade effectively. You can trade along with us, as whatever I'm doing here on this channel is real. The account is real, and every trade we are taking is real. But whatever you choose to do with the trade is up to you. I do not encourage anybody to go and gamble. Make sure if you are new to trading, you do not have experience in trading, trade with a demo account and follow us. If you are an experienced trader, use our analysis as inspiration. After doing your analysis, you can verify with what we are doing. You can check up, okay, and also add one idea or the other to what you are doing, and you can be a better trader. And if you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, if you are totally new to trading and you want us to teach you how to trade, then I encourage you to join the Weldds Forex Academy today. Check the description of this video. You will see a link to join the Weldds Forex Academy. When you join the Weldds Forex Academy for 3 months, we give you access to premium Forex education, and at the same time, we will be sending you signals as we place our trades, and we share with you our premium tool, the Weldds Macro Tracker, to help you be updated in your trading journey. Click on the subscribe button, be a part of the community, and let's quickly go to the chart right now and check the available trades for this new week. Let's look at the trading setup for the new week. If you look at the Weldds Macro Tracker, this was updated on the 22nd of March 2025, and looking at it here, you will easily see that the strongest currencies have remained the US dollar, and another one is the pound. So those are the two strong currencies. If you look at the Japanese yen, it has continued to weaken. So if you pair the Japanese yen with the US dollar, this currency, we are looking for buy setup on that. You can also do USD against the Swiss franc. USD CHF, we are also looking for a buy setup. Then if you look at GBP JPY, we are also looking for buy setup. New Zealand dollar JPY, we are also looking for buy setup, because New Zealand dollar is actually gaining strength here while the Japanese yen is getting weak. So we trade the divergence. There are many other trading setup. So let's quickly look at some of this setup. Okay, for New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, this is what we saw last week, and we actually have started taking this trade already. It is one of the trade that is running. If you check the running trades here, you will see New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen is already in profit of $21 US, but it has not even made the movement that we are looking at. So take the trend line and mark this area. If you draw this trend line here, this market broke out of the trend line and started trading up, and we are waiting for a retracement. So I used the Fibonacci retracement and measured from this point down. The market came to the 61.8 fib level, and that was where we executed the trade, and it went into profit. And after some time, it actually did a little pullback, and now the direction has continued to move, and now the market has continued to move in the direction that we are looking at. We have our stop loss somewhere around there. If for any reason our stop loss is hit, we will still wait for it at the 78.6 fib level, and then we are taking this trade. The first take profit should be around that level at least. Then it can also go to that level also. So that is for New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, for people that have not entered the trade by Monday, what you can do on this trade, you can wait for it. Maybe it can still push back to this level. If it drops back to this level, you can execute the trade. Always ensure strict risk management, because in trading, no matter what you have done, the risk is always there. So ensure that you do not accept the kind of risks that you will not want. Okay, next is GBP JPY. This is one of the currencies we started trading last week. We actually executed this trade trade at the 61.8 fib level, and it went up and gave us some profit. If you come to the 4-hour time frame, I always like to do this at the 4-hour time frame. So when this market retraced to this level, we executed the trade and it was giving us profit to this level. Then it pulled back to our entry zone and trade is still there. And now we are seeing some price action agreeing to that point. The first place we are looking to take our profit on this trade at least is at this level. Then we can move stop losses to break even and manage the other one until it gets to this level, right? So it is a very nice trade setup for coming week. If you do not take the trade, don't force yourself. There is always another opportunity in the market. Looking at AUD/JPY, all the Japanese yen pairs are actually moving in the same direction. So this was the area we executed this trade. It came to the 78.6 fib level. This was exactly where we executed the trade, and it pushed up, gave us some profit, came back there to give something like a double bottom. So the trade is still running, and one of these things is that we can aim to close one of the position there and ensure the second position keep running until we get to this level. Another currency pair that I am watching is GBP New Zealand dollar. I like the setup of this trade. The market actually broke out of this place and has done a retracement. So on Monday you can look to also take this trade, all things being equal. If you take your Fibonacci retracement from this level down, the market actually caught at the 61.8, which was the ideal place to take the trade from this level here. So after it started giving profit, now it's coming back to that entry zone. If it comes to that entry zone and you see reversal patterns, you can join in that trade. Always ensure proper risk management. Proper risk management is very important. I have taken so many Japanese yen pairs. If I calculate all my risks, it is within a very tolerable area. If you take it from there, where can you target for your take profit? So from this level, the market got there. Okay, so if you take this trend line and extend from the point where it retraced, at least this is a good area for you to look to take your profit. This is a nice setup for next week. Okay, for the US dollar pairs, almost all the US dollar pairs are very confusing to me. The only one I have taken a trade is the USD Japanese yen. If you look at this trade, it was on a downtrend, then it broke out of this place, came there, retested, and it is playing. Right, so what I did on this trade, if you look at it, I took the Fibonacci retracement and I measured from this level up to that point. So it came to the 61.8 fib level. This was where I executed the trade. It went into profit, and on Friday it retraced almost to our entry point, but it has started pushing up. So we will keep this trade running. It will take off this level and then we'll keep it running for a long period of time. This can be your first take profit around here. Then we can also keep it longer, all things being equal. There are many currency pairs that we can analyze on the chart. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I will always be uploading a video to either give you update about the trades we have taken or the setup that are getting mature for us to take. I encourage you to click on the subscribe button and be a member of the channel. And if you watch these videos and they are useful to you, click the like and drop a comment. If there's any question you want to ask me or you want us to analyze any currency pair of your choice, drop it as a comment and I'll be glad to support you throughout the week. All right. And if you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, check the description of this video. You will see a link to join. So thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow.